When you grow so big so fast, and you're still growing, but your infrastructure's a mess, you've got a real problem. Especially if data reliability and flexibility are critical. Can you start fresh, rebuild your IT infrastructure from the ground up, and provide continuity of service to your users and your clients?
Well, as it turns out, you can. It's actually more cost-effective and faster to implement than repairing the current technology mishmash.
STW Group comprises of over 75 companies focused on marketing, media, and advertising. Our clients not only have tight deadlines, but they also demand to see our disaster recovery plans. Massive amounts of data was our #1 struggle.
In advertising, a new client comes with terabytes of assets we need to work with right away. Television spots, print ads, these have already been sold with hard deadlines. There's hardly enough time to produce the content, so we certainly can't wait 20 or 30 minutes for every large file to download. Every file's a large file.
At STW Group, business moves so quickly that even our 3, 6 and 12-month plans need to be very agile. So the technology needs to be scalable and flexible. At the same time, we need to offer a continuity of service. This is something we can sell.
The existing IT structure was a mishmash of different systems. To try and add some flexibility, to add a layer of data protection, and to cope with a data growth rate of more than 50% a year was a big task. We decided to be bold, start from scratch.
We worked with STW Group in the past, so Tom knew we had the innovation and the technology to enable them. NetApp likes to partner with trusted advisors. Their value is in integration. With their knowledge, their experience, their people, they bring it all together to create the solutions.
So yes, indeed, Tom and I actually had an initial meeting, the outcome of which was a discussion document.
We had a comprehensive evaluation process, but VMtech were the ones that really listened to us and gave us a solution that was specific to our needs.
They had such a wide range of systems and software that we really had to put one of our technical consultants on site immediately.
From the initial discussion to having our own private cloud infrastructure up and running was 3 months, and it was seamless. Our 1,400 users didn't notice any interruptions to their services and just noticed that things got better.
So we built 2 data centers that bidirectionally replicate each other's data. The reason we chose NetApp for the job was because of the thin replication technology that's built into the system. This basically meant that we could get away with a lot less bandwidth as we had a lot less weight on the wire.
NetApp's strategy was to help STW Group simplify their environment, give them control of their technology. At the end of the day, they have a unified architecture that's centrally managed through NetApp's Data ONTAP operating system.
Most prospective customers ask for a data recovery plan. Now, we're one of the few companies that offers one that is truly modernised and reliable.
There was no downtime. Access to files and moving huge assets like HT video simply became noticeably faster.
By building the solution on NetApp technology, we've taken STW's IT environment from one that is very labour intensive and suffering a lot of outages to a platform that is much easier to administer and absolutely rock solid.
With simple data replication, fast disaster recovery, and the ability to scale quickly, STW Group can focus on making acquisitions and bringing in new customers. My IT team is running 160 virtualized servers and can respond to business demands fast. We're flexible, we're reliable, bring it on.